Here we have a 1990 Yamaha TW200 in just really incredibly great shape. You can see the rim and the hub, and everything is just like the day it came off the floor. I've not seen this camo package before with the Yamaha logos in it. Really looks incredible. Runs really incredible. Very well might be the stock tires. Great condition. Everything's there. Everything works. Again, the camo looks really cool on here. And we bought it with 4,500 miles. I believe that to be accurate because it must have been a leftover, and you can see the prior owner bought it in 2013 with only 526 miles. So let me choke it. Let's start it up here. Starts good, runs good, ran through the gears really well, clutch was good. Oops, let me choke it again.